Hi, and welcome to Wardrobe Wednesday with Heidi and Nest Pretty. I am a couple of weeks into my 10-piece wardrobe for the summertime. And I have to say, desperate times calls for desperate measures. It's so interesting how I am still learning how to dress in the summertime here in Florida. And I'm in no rush to fill my wardrobe. I want to make really good decisions. So here's something I learned this week. We had lots of rain and we had lots of wind. And what I learned last year, which was amazing, is that when you have that much rain and wind and weather, it's better to have a raincoat than to mess with an umbrella. And it really is just so much more effective to stay dry when you're running in and out of doing errands and things. So I knew that. Bonus. This is what I learned though, is that there's a huge difference between cold wet and hot wet. So I had purchased a pair of rain boots because I definitely knew I needed rain boots, especially in case of any emergencies or needing them in my go bag for sure, because I don't want to be cold. But what I learned is hot wet is a whole nother ball game. So we were trying to leave the other day. I had packed my little bag. We were going away just for a quick weekend. I packed my bag and I kept it super simple. I was really pleased at what I had put together for the weekend. But as I was taking my bags down to the car, it started raining, and actually I had these palazzo pants on, and those don't work in the rain. So I'm like, So interesting. I changed my clothes 3 times, trying to get the right look, the right feel for hot rain. So I did go to visit a friend of mine who is from Florida. She was born and raised here, and I said, what do you do? I told her about my predicament and how I had changed 3 times and trying to get my proportions, because basically if you wear a raincoat, I needed leggings or skinny jeans under it to have the right proportions, even though I was just traveling in the car. So what she said is, you will always have wet feet in the summer rains. So she recommended like a jelly or a sandal that can get wet. Now all the other stuff I still need to figure out. So here's something I did do. So many companies offer stylist help. It's just a phone call or a consultation on the phone or online. So I decided to do that with a company that I really like. And I just told her what I was looking for and what I needed, what I felt I needed to fill the holes. Here's the really cool thing about it, is that she is from New York but lives in Florida. So I was hoping to get some insights from her about how to bring the style that I had in New York and translate it into Florida. So she's going to send me a couple of pieces. So interesting. She says, do you have a store near you? Can you just go and try stuff on? And I said, I hate shopping. That's why I'm calling you. So I have that in the works, and I'm hoping it will assist me in my quest for the perfect 10-piece wardrobe for summertime. And that brings me to chapter 4, I do believe. We're going to discuss it on Friday in the book club about dreams. And here's the little quote I'm going to share with you. It requires courage to say, I love this, or I prefer that, or this is my favorite, or I want more of this in my life. And that was true when I had my consultation she was, what about this? What about that? What about this? And I was so pleased that I said no, yes, no, yes. This is what I want. This is what I envision. This is what I feel like I need, but I just need guidance and help to get there. So knowing what you want, knowing what you like, knowing what your preference is, sometimes takes courage to say it, stand up for it, but sometimes it's just super helpful, especially in a consultation. So I cannot wait to learn more from Sun Coast Aquatics about how to dress in summertime in Florida. I know she has so many pointers and she's going to help me out. This is Heidi with Nest Pretty in my closet, still working on the 10-piece wardrobe for summer. It is a work in progress, and if anyone has any tips, raise your hand. I would love to learn from you. So I hope you all have a lovely evening, and we will talk soon. And hey, Friday night I'll be online with the book club, so if you want to join me. Okay, we'll talk to you soon. Bye.